And in today's tutorial we will be painting this beautiful koi fish bond painting in simple 3 steps without any delay. Now let's get started. This is my old painting palette. It's a plastic one, so it is always very hard for me to remove and clean the excess dry paint. So I tried many techniques here to remove the dry paint, but I failed many times. So I decided to directly paint on them without removing the dry paints. I decided to mix the color deep cyan and black to get a dark shade of blue, and we are going to paint the pebbles in the bond first. So first we need to apply some dark colors in the background. So here I just mix the color deep cyan and black, and I'm going to just apply the color on the both side of the palette. In this point my hands became very messy, but I really enjoy the process. And we have to be really patient while applying the colors. Once the colors are completely dry, then we can start paint the pebbles in the background color. And here we have the color deep cyan and black, and with this color I just mix a pinch of white to get a light shade of color. And you can see the background is really dark, so we need to apply some lighter colors, then only the colors will be visible. And you can add more and more colors and pebbles in this background, and we have to let it dry, then we can add some lotus leaf. And here we have the colors sap green and yellow, and I just mix these two colors to get a beautiful and warm shade of green. And this green is really beautiful, and I'm going to use this to paint the base of all the leaves. Here I'm using my number 4 round brush. Round brushes are advisable to use especially when we need to draw some curved lines, especially when we need to draw some leaves like this. And I always like to use my round brush to paint the leaves like this. Now let's take some monastal green and mix it with yellow, and we are going to use this lighter shade of yellow in the edges of the leaf, and we can add some details in the leaves. Recently I am using ceramic plates as my painting palette, but earlier I have used this plastic one. It is really hard to remove the dry paints, but I don't want to throw it away, so I asked my followers what shall I paint on them, and they selected this koi fish bond painting. I was so excited to paint it because I really like to paint the lotus, koi fish and the bond. It took me more than 10 hours to finish this painting, but I really enjoy the process. To paint the shadow of the leaves, we can take the color black and deep cyan. Now let's mix them, and we can add the shadow on the water surface. Once we finish painting all the shadows and the details in the lotus leaves, and then we can take the color primary red and we can add some flowers. In this lotus bond painting we are going to add layers of flowers. So in the first layer we are going to use the color primary red. Later we can add more colors. In the second layer we can mix some white with this primary red to get a pink shade, and we can use this pink shade as the second layer in this painting. And now I am using my number 2 round brush to paint the very tiny and curved line like this in this lotus flowers. In the third and the final layer we can add more white to make a very light shade of pink, and we are going to use this light shade of pink as the third layer, and this time we need to draw them very small. Apply some white paint in the center of the flowers like this, because we are going to add some details in the center of the flower. So first we need to take some white paint, and we are going to add them only in the center of the flowers. Now we have to let it dry, then take some yellow, and we are adding some details in the center of the flowers. To paint the shadow of the flowers in the leaf, we need to mix the color sap green with the black, and we are painting the shadow of the flowers here. So far in this painting process, I really enjoyed painting this beautiful lotus, and if you are someone who is really interested in painting lotus, then you can check this painting. In this painting, you can learn how to paint a beautiful lotus with a step-by-step guidance. So don't miss the painting if you are really interested in painting lotus. To paint the shadow of the flowers in the water surface, we can directly use the color black, and here I am having the color black and I am using that to paint the shadow of the flowers. In the third and the final step of this painting, we can paint the koi fish. So here we have the color white, primary red and a pinch of black. So we will get this light pinkish gray color, and we are using this color to paint the body of the koi fish. And I don't want to paint the koi fish directly with the color white, so here I am using these colors to get a light shade of white. Then we can add the details and highlight using the color white later. So first I am going to just use this color to paint the base for the koi fish body. We can use the same color to paint the fin and the tail. To paint the shadow part on the body of the fish, we can mix some black and primary red with this mixture, and we can use this color to paint the shadow part on the body of the fish. In this painting, I decided to add 4 koi fish, and we are going to use the same technique. We have to use the mixture of color black and primary red and white to paint the base for the body of the fish, and then we can add more black and primary red to add the shadow part, and we are going to add different types of patterns using different colors in this painting. Now we can use the color white to add the highlights on the body of the fish. Now just let it dry, then we can add more patterns on the body of the fish. So here we have the color yellow. I am adding the yellow first, then we can add whatever color we want. Commonly in koi fish body we have yellow, orange and some shade of red, and in this painting I am using only these 3 colors, yellow, orange and red. So now I am using the color yellow. Later I can add more orange shades and red shades in this painting. To add some details in the fin, you can use the color white, and I am painting some small tiny lines in the fin and also in the tail. Painting the fish will be really easy once you learn the fundamental and the basic, and if you are someone who is really interested in painting beautiful fish, and then you can check this playlist. In this playlist you can see different types of fish painting using a very simple techniques with a step-by-step guidance. So if you are someone who is really interested in painting fish, then don't miss this playlist. Here I am using the color black to add the shadow in the water surface, and it is really beautiful to see. Now we are painting the second fish and we are going to use the same technique and we are using the same color for the base. In this koi fish painting, I am going to add the color red to add the patterns on the body. To add more depth in this painting, we can use some orange and yellow shades with this red shade. Now let's mix the color red and orange and apply this color here, and then we can add more details in this koi fish body, and here we have the color black. And now let's mix the color black and red to get a dark shade of red, and we are using this dark shade of red here. And let's add some patterns using this dark shade of red. If you are new here, consider this your official welcome. I am Rexana, an acrylic painting artist, and I am really passionate about sharing my painting knowledge with the beginners. In this painting channel, you can see easy to follow painting tutorials, and if you are really interested in my painting content, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you won't miss any of my painting tutorials, and you can also follow me on my other social media platforms to know all the regular updates about my painting. Now it's time to paint the third and fourth fish, and we are going to use the same color to paint the base, and we are going to just let it dry, then we can add some details on them. In the third fish painting, I am going to use only the color orange and yellow. Mostly I am going to use the color yellow. And here we have the color yellow. Then we can add some white with this yellow to make a little lighter shade of yellow, and we are using this color in the center of the body. Now let's mix the color yellow and orange, and we are going to use this color to add some patterns on the fish body. Now we are painting the fourth fish, and we can use the color orange to add the patterns on the skin. Following this orange, we can add some yellow to add some patterns on the body of the fish. Finally, add some white to add the patterns on the body. Let's mix the color white and deep cyan, and we are adding some details on the water surface. We can add some waves and reflection here. Also, let's add some bubbles on the water surface. To paint the bubbles, we just need to paint some small circles here, and I'm using my number 1 round brush to add the tiny details in this painting. Now let's see the finished look of this painting. I really like this painting. Please let me know your thoughts about this painting in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step guidance in my next video. Until then, have fun with colors.